Oh, hey, I am live. Yes. Hey, this is Ryan A. Good afternoon, good morning, or good night. This is the second step of building a website. So I gave you all the three factors. So we bought the domain name already. Visit san juandelsur.co. Then I'm going to now talk to the government, which is the hosting. I recommend WP Engine, but I'm gonna make this easy for you guys because you're setting up a simple website. GoDaddy hosting, I'm sorry, GoDaddy, you're not the best hosting on earth. But because we bought the website there and we already have WordPress hosting there, I'm going to set it up here because it's easy for most people and it's reliable enough for what I'm trying to do. So, no further interruption. Make myself small map. Okay, so this is my brother's GoDaddy account. He knows, so don't feel I'm stealing. Go to my products. So it's very straightforward. Don't get things twisted. You can't do this yourself. I am not a guru or any one of those things. I am a human just like you are. And we're going to manage this bad boy. So this is the hosting that I have. Once you go into products, you go into WordPress hosting, you're going to see a list. If you don't have it already, you would just be prompted to pay for it. Um, and yeah, it's also very cheap. It's like $10 or something. So let's go. So then I want to add a site. That hosting, I'm building a brand new site. Yes, I am. Pick a domain. I'm going to do that now. So they would have your list of domains. Choose a name. Wait, website not in the list. Why is there no list? Enter a domain. Do not continue. Does not contain www. Dot visit San Juan de Sur. Wait, why is this red? Visit. Oh, I couldn't. Ryan, be smart. You said I see, but I'm human. Okay. The option required that you update your DNSA record to this. So I will show you that after. We could copy that bad boy. Bam. We click next. North America. If you're in Europe, then choose Europe. If you're in the middle, then whoever your client base will be, choose that one. But it's recommended, as you can see. The username, what will my username be? Let's make that A. My password, I cannot show you, but you're never gonna figure it out. Why is my username a problem? 5 to 40 characters consist of lowercase, only lowercase, and numbers. That's not a problem. So Ryan A. Oh, I don't need anything else. Install, save that bad boy. So WordPress is installing. So the car is being put together. It's in the factory. They're like putting on doors, and like engine is now dropping in, and it's like that new Benz. I don't know the name. I'm being a fool, but yeah, this is happening. So GoDaddy, could you just make this a bit faster so my video is not too long? So yeah, this is what is happening. The WordPress is being installed for that specific site. Then I need to take that to DNS. I need to take that IP address that will basically be linked to the hosting so that people will be directed to the right place to see my car, to see my website that I'm going to develop, right? Um, so yeah, this could hurry. In the meantime, like, I hope you guys are good. Hope you're having like a good day or a good night. Uh, I'm excited to build this website because like the project for a client is really, really interesting. And I would like your feedback on the website. So when I build it, tell me, Ryan, hey, your website looks amazing or your website looks terrible and what I should change. I do appreciate all critique, good or bad. Uh, GoDaddy, could you not take this long, guy? Okay. So, hey, I'm big on the screen. I should. Hurry, gosh. So, guys, I apologize for the time that it took. WordPress successfully installed. Get started, right? So I can get started. This will take me to filling out a lot of information for the website. I could go to the dashboard, which would just be the back end. But let's do get started. To just show you the entire process. Get started with that bad boy. Start wizard. So this start wizard thing is going to take you through all the settings, contact information, and then set up the theme, right? The theme I use is Divi. I would put a link below. Divi is the easiest visual builder. I learned to do this thing in 2, 3 days to build websites. So do not be intimidated. Let me take you through all of this just to make life easy. So website, blog, industry, and most things are most websites, especially basic ones, will be website or blog. So just choose that. I'm looking for travel or tourism. Oh, I put in there. Tourist information, title, a WordPress website. No, and all of this you can change after. So all this will be for tagline. As I said, all of this could be changed because it would not be this lame. Rihanna is not the best tagline on earth. Do I have a tagline off the top of my head? Let's see. One, two. No, that was lame. If I did that, that would be impressive. You know? Like I just came up with a tagline. That was an email address, website visitors can contact you. That's Max. I will just put this here so that he doesn't get the emails for now. But he's not gonna get them. Like the website is not even built yet. And as I said, all of this could be changed. So yeah, skip this. Phone number, we could skip that. Social media channels, skip that. We could fill all that in. After choose a theme, right? So then we could also skip this. So then what I would do is I would go to the back end and choose a design for your website. Don't worry, you can change this later. So let's just choose Escapade. Yeah, next. So this is how quick this thing is, right? Look, you basically have a template for a website. Like, there's a website in front of your face. So we're installing that theme, but that is not the theme that we're going to use because those are templates that are not as easy to edit through Divi. So I would show you the Divi builder, how to install it. I'm going to do all of that now, and then get to building the website and showing you the details. And then I would give your guys the final product, and you would say, hey, your website is fancy or not. So you literally have a website now. Like we set up the hosting. So we got the name, set up the hosting, and now the platform to actually build that car, the drive on the road is here. Right? So ready to build your website? No thanks, I have got this. If you don't, let them have it. But you can also just subscribe to my channel and I would help you guys. So have a wonderful day. Let me make myself big. Raw. Love you guys. Subscribe. So I am going to build the website now. Build that car with Divi. I will put a link below to show you how easy it is and where you could get that plugin. Yeah. Talk to you soon. Ryan here. Love you guys. Bye.